The annual roundup of Investors Business Daily's best online brokers is now available. And joining me today to talk about Fidelity is Scott Ignall. He's the head of Fidelity's brokerage platform. So, Scott, can you talk a little bit about account growth in 2020? It was an interesting year with the COVID crisis. What did that look like, and how is Fidelity helping novice investors get started on the right foot in this market?
Yeah, thank you for having us today. I really appreciate it. Great question. There's been a lot of growth this year for sure. As of Q3 2020, we've seen a ton of growth, more than 3.5 million new accounts at Fidelity, 160% increase in trade volume, and a 65% increase in new account openings. So we now have more than 26 million retail brokerage accounts through Q3. And many of these accounts are novices. So, the way we look at it is we view client education and financial investing content as a vital aspect of making our clients successful in these markets. To your question, it's of critical importance to make sure that our novice investors are getting all the help they need when they join us. A couple of things we've done to start on our side to make sure these novice investors start on the right foot. First of all, we've hired more than 9,000 customer-facing associates in 2020. With the help of AI and machine learning, we're surfacing help content to clients as quickly as possible, right inside the experience. We have a new online learning center. We've seen 155% increase in trading and investment actions taken here after engaging with the education and thought leadership within the learning center. That's demonstrating both an increase in traffic, but also proving that we're providing the right education to our clients to help them answer their questions as they have those questions within our experiences. We've also added a lot of new things such as 1-minute help videos right inside the digital experience to help clients better navigate our digital properties and make more sound investment decisions. So it's been a wide-ranging effort. The goal is to ensure that our newer clients have all the tools and the capabilities they need to invest safely and knowledgeably when they join Fidelity.
And it's not only the educational component that is so important, but when you look at the product side, you look at things like fractional share trading. Why is it important to Fidelity's strategic initiatives, and why is it helping your company stand out from competitors?
Well, fractional share trading, we think, was a tremendous step in the investing space in 2020. Fidelity was one of the first brokers at scale to offer this. Some of the attributes that are important about fractional share trading are pretty obvious to us, but I want to make sure your viewers know it as well. The most important thing is, the ability to purchase high-priced stocks at a lower notional dollar amount. So you no longer need to worry about the price of the stock. If you have $5 to invest, you can buy $5 worth of Amazon, for example. The other thing is you no longer need a calculator to figure out how many shares you can buy with a certain amount of money. You could actually just say, I want to buy $5, $10, $100, $10,000 worth of a stock. So it really opened up the aperture in terms of what clients can do. And it brought in a lot of customers to us who are looking for that simplicity in investing. So our Fidelity Stocks by the Slice, which is what we call it, offers more than 7,000 stock and ETF choices, real-time trade execution, and both market and limit orders. And we feel like that's a big differentiator in the marketplace compared to our competition. And we're really proud of it. And when you take that and you combine that with our zero index funds, mutual funds, as well as zero commissions, and no minimums, no fees, we feel like we have a tremendous best-in-class offering for our retail investors.
Yeah, and you mentioned technology and more of these access points for investors, and I feel like one of those big ones has been, mobile trading on your phone. How do you stay competitive in an increasingly mobile-first trading world, and are there any new innovations that you're looking at in 2021?
Sure. I mean, you're absolutely right. The mobile platform and the growth there is just unbelievable. As I mentioned before, the ubiquity of the platforms and the capabilities that just sort of sit in your pocket is incredible. Our mobile platform is the fastest growing front door to Fidelity. 2020 was the first time mobile traffic eclipsed our desktop-based traffic. So that's one really important data point. And in the past, we used to develop for sort of web first and then port it over to mobile. Now, most of our development is mobile first, or at worst, mobile simultaneous. So we're ensuring that a lot of that functionality that we build is mobile ready and can meet clients where they are. We're also ensuring that all of our functionality, even when it's on the website, is mobile native. So it will scale down to a mobile browser if need be. And ultimately, we know that our customers judge the mobile experience that we have at Fidelity against the best-in-class digital experiences throughout the industry. And that not only includes other financial services companies, but also even social media companies, right? Screen time is important, it's valuable, and we want to make sure that we're competing in the right way and providing the right and best use of our clients' time when they're using our mobile devices. So we put a lot of thought and expertise into our experiences. We also develop our mobile experiences with Gen Z and millennials in mind. They grew up digital first, and their instincts and expectations color our development, which benefits all generations. I would say in 2021, there are three key focus areas for us. One is to increase access to the markets through our new offerings. Two is making sure that education and content is front and center, along with new podcast capabilities. So again, going back to the education theme, making sure our clients are as educated and knowledgeable as possible. Number three, just focusing on the experience, making sure it has as few clicks as possible and is, as I mentioned before, respectful of our clients' time and using their time the most efficient way. And then the last point is just using our scale and leadership across many industries to find ways to produce unprecedented product offerings and value to our clients.
Well, Scott, it sounds very exciting to see what's coming ahead. And thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you very much. It was great to be here. We appreciate the time.
And to learn more about our annual Best Online Brokers report, click on over to investors.com/bestonlinebrokers. For Investors Business Daily, I'm Alexis Garcia.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.